friends, Running Kimono here. So if you can get out to the Home Depot, if you're watching this video on your ride home from work, or if you're going to like your kids' basketball practice after after dinner and you're driving by a Home Depot, or if you live next to a Home Depot, you might want to go there because a lot of this meat and potatoes coupon stuff that we all love is 75% off. Now, I'm going to show you guys the prices and then I'm just going to talk a little bit too in this video. But these Dawns were $1.40 and $1.30, which are 75% off. Now, I'm going to let you guys know that the Tide and some of the other cleaners were not part of it, but a good bulk were. So you really have to go in the store or check with the app. Is this yes or no part of it? This Cascade 34 count, I'm going to show you the container in a couple. $3.15, original price almost $14. The finish as well, but I went with all P&G products that I bought today. I was very specific. This 2000 flushes, it's a double pack. $10 is the original price, down to $2.50. All of the HDX products, which is the Home Depot line, also all the dish soaps that we were talking about the last couple of weeks, all of that was 75% off as well. But Tide Liquid, Tide Pods, Arm & Hammer, all of that stuff full price, along with the paper, because they had the single rolls still at 77 cents or 68 cents or whatever the dumb price. The Airwick, these 5 counters, that's an old one because they're usually 4 counters, $3.50. I get these so cheap at the Dollar General, so I left them all at the store. The Lysol wipes, I think the employees got them all. They were like $1, and those are the ones that I photographed in that store. They were all gone. That Mr. Clean Lemon, that Clean Freak, was $2.10. I didn't buy a single one, and I didn't take a single picture because there was another shopper there. That one specifically, we can get cheaper than $2.10 with coupon deals, so I didn't buy it. Now I'm going to show you the products just a little closer if you're like, hey, what do I look for? Either look for this in the cleaning aisle or in the regular clearance aisle, but this was $2.50 just if you need to see the visual. And I'm going to show you the UPC as well. Don't be shy to ask at customer service for some assistance, like, can you price check this for me before you ring it all up so you don't end up with a surprise at checkout. And also the Sky Shelf, look at the tippy top in case there might be more in the store, which is always a possibility even if the shelf is cleaned out. And if you by chance bought some of this stuff when it was 50% off, you have a window of 1 month to go back in the store and to get the difference. So if you got these Cascades at, what was the price? That would have been, the original price I think was like 14 or 15. So at 50% off, it would have been 7. So they'll give you the difference of $3.50, and no questions asked. You just need to bring in the receipt as long as it's tagged at your location. And I showed that in my last couple of videos for Home Depot clearance. But this is really fantastic. And then one other item I did stock up on, they had the Power Wash double packs. Another employee must have grabbed them. This Power Suds was $1.40. I did find a bunch of those at the store. And then the lemon one was $1.30, and it has a huge amount of liquid dish soap, and it is Dawn or nothing. But lots of the vinegars by HDX, which is the Home Depot line, also clearing out at 75% off. So again, I'm trying to conserve my gas. My husband was running out to do an errand this evening, and he's like, I'm going to Home Depot, and I'm like, oh, wait for me. I need a ride too, because I wanted to check this out. And I don't usually find this much stuff, but I did find quite a bit today, and it's absolutely incredible. So get out there, guys, go and make a haul happen if you can. Again, if you're really like me, just like counting the gas down and being really miserly with that, I get it, because I'm trying to do all my errands at one time instead of running to the store, running into town every 10 minutes. Just trying to be smart with spending gas right now because it's so expensive. So just be smart out there and go and look for this stuff. If you've been watching like me, at 50% it was just a bit too much. I would definitely start stocking up for these prices, like $1.30 for this, friend. Yes, they might even have it displayed right at the front of the store too. I wish you guys good luck if you are in search of this, and remember, My location, Tide Liquid, Tide Pods, not part of it. And I didn't see anyone on social media show any of the detergents. And I think Arm & Hammer was also clearing out at 50% off. Good luck, guys. And I can't wait to hear about your hauls over at the Home Depot. How exciting is this? Bye, guys.